If you're a retail investor looking to take control of your financial future in 2025 without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best free tools for retail investors in 2025. Tools that can help you research stocks, analyze markets, and build a portfolio like a pro, all without spending a dime. Whether you're just starting out or you've been investing for years, these free platforms will give you access to professional-grade data, charts, and insights. Stick around because I'm going to break down each tool and share why it's a game changer for retail investors. Let's get started. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why free tools are so important for retail investors. The stock market can feel overwhelming. There's so much data, news, and noise out there. Professional-grade tools like Bloomberg Terminal cost thousands of dollars a month, which is out of reach for most of us. But here's the good news. In 2025, there are free platforms that give retail investors access to high-quality data, advanced charting, and portfolio management tools. These tools can help you research companies, spot trends, and make informed decisions without paying for expensive subscriptions. I've carefully selected 6 free tools that stand out for their usability, data quality, and value. Let's dive into the first one. First up is Yahoo Finance, a classic that's still one of the best free tools for retail investors in 2025. Yahoo Finance has been around for decades, and it's a go-to for millions of investors worldwide. Why it's great? Comprehensive data. You get real-time stock quotes, financial statements, key ratios, and analyst ratings for thousands of stocks and ETFs globally. News aggregation. Yahoo pulls in thousands of news articles daily, so you can stay updated on market-moving events. Free portfolio tracker. Create watch lists and track your portfolio's performance without needing a paid account. Educational content. They offer videos and articles to help beginners understand investing basics. Why it's a must-have. Yahoo Finance is like the Swiss Army knife of free tools. Versatile, reliable, and perfect for beginners who want a one-stop shop for market data. Next up is TradingView, hands down the best free tool for technical analysis in 2025. If you love charts or want to dive into technical trading, this is your platform. Why it's great. Advanced charting. TradingView offers over 15 chart types, 110+ drawing tools, and 400+ pre-built technical indicators like moving averages or RSI. Community insights. Connect with millions of traders who share strategies and custom indicators via TradingView's community scripts. Multi-asset support. Analyze stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and commodities all in one place. Paper trading. Test your strategies with a free paper trading feature without risking real money. Why it's a must-have. TradingView is perfect for retail investors who want to master technical analysis without paying for expensive charting software. It's user-friendly yet powerful enough for advanced traders. Let's talk about stock analysis, a lesser-known but fantastic free tool for fundamental investors. Think of it as a better version of Yahoo Finance with a cleaner interface and more comprehensive data. Why it's great. Deep data. Access financial data for over 5,500 stocks and 4,000 ETFs across U.S. markets, including detailed financial statements and ratios. User-friendly design. The interface is fast and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. Free news updates. Get daily market-moving news in a concise, bullet point format. No paywall. Unlike some platforms, all core features are free without a trial period. Why it's a must-have. Stock analysis is ideal for retail investors who want reliable, free fundamental data without the clutter of other platforms. Next is Investorean, a newer platform that's gaining traction in 2025 for its simplicity and professional-grade insights tailored to retail investors. Why it's great. All-in-one solution. Combines market research, portfolio tracking, and global market trend analysis in one platform. Intuitive dashboards. Visualize market trends and stock performance with easy-to-read charts. Multi-asset coverage. Covers stocks, ETFs, and other asset classes, perfect for diversified portfolios. Free access. Core features are free, making it accessible for beginners. Why it's a must-have. Investorean bridges the gap between beginner-friendly design and sophisticated insights, making it great for retail investors who want a modern, all-in-one tool. Up next is Google Finance, a simple but effective tool for retail investors who want quick access to market data. It's not as feature-rich as others, but it's perfect for staying on top of your investments. Why it's great. Real-time quotes. Track stock prices and market indices in real time. Portfolio tracking. Create watch lists to monitor your favorite stocks or ETFs. News integration. Links to Google News for the latest updates on your investments. Minimalist design. Clean and straightforward, ideal for beginners. Why it's a must-have. It's a no-frills tool for investors who want quick, reliable data without overwhelming features. For dividend investors, MarketBeat is a fantastic free tool to have in your arsenal. It's especially useful if you're focused on building passive income through dividends. Why it's great. Dividend data. Get accurate dividend yields, payout ratios, and dividend growth histories. Analyst ratings. Access consensus ratings and price targets from top analysts. Stock screener. Filter stocks by dividend yield, market cap, or sector. Free news. Stay updated with company-specific news and earnings reports. Why it's a must-have. If dividends are part of your strategy, MarketBeat's focus on income investments makes it a must-use tool. There you have it, the 6 best free tools for retail investors in 2025. Yahoo Finance, TradingView, Stock Analysis, Investorean, Google Finance, and MarketBeat. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's fundamental data, technical analysis, or dividend insights. My advice: start with 1 or 2 that match your investing style, maybe Yahoo Finance for beginners or TradingView for technical traders, and explore from there. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.